afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the channel. Very exciting video today. You guys can see the Duramax is set up with a trailer. So put your comment below, what vehicle do you think it is? He now has a vehicle for his YouTube channel, and I'm going to pick it up for him right now. This is going to be super exciting. Let's get out of here. Well guys, I finally picked up the car. As you can see, it's a Tiburon. My brother already owned a Tiburon, but it had to get junked, and he's been waiting to figure out what to do next for his YouTube channel. My parents got him this Tiburon, which is an 07, the last year they made it. It only has 30,000 miles on it, and it just needs some regular maintenance and a front bumper and restoring the paint. It's a beauty, and it's a manual 6-speed with red, leather interior, and Alcantara in the center, which is basically the standard race seats for this version. Finally reveal it to my brother for his YouTube channel. Let's go. So there it is, guys. It's a 2007 Tiburon Special Edition. It is a 6-speed. It runs and drives great. The engine's great. Just needs a few things done, and we're gonna go over those with you once I reveal it to my brother. You can see the Duramax is a beast, and towing in that is easy. So it's a blast to tow in the Duramax, I'll tell you guys what. So we just got it here. I'm about to show my brother for the first time which vehicle my parents bought him. He doesn't know my parents are even buying him a vehicle. We're gonna tow it to my house because he's coming over, and that's gonna be the project car for his YouTube channel. Okay, so check this out, bro.
What?
That right there is yours.
What is it? The truck?
No, you're not getting the truck. You don't get the truck.
Got me a Tiburon.
You got a Tiburon. Mom and Dad and Tom got you a Tiburon. This can't be happening. You finally got a Tiburon, and now you're gonna work on that Tiburon, and I'm taking it to my house tonight.
I'm gonna do what I can. Whatever I can do it, you know?
So we're gonna take this car over to my house, and that's where it's gonna start. It's really gonna begin for my brother with this car. What do you think? It's just like your old one, except your old one was an 05. It only has 30,000 miles, like 27,000 and change.
Sounds like somebody didn't drive it.
12 years, 30,000 miles, holy shit. What do you guys think? Like, share, comment.
And subscribe to my channel.
Yeah, this can't be happening.
If you wanna see the progress with it, don't be expecting a video every day.
Okay, so we're getting ready to start on the Tiburon. The trunk is a little bit leaky. That happens when you buy a project car. We're working the kinks out. We're going through the car, trying to fix everything, buff the paint, just restore it to brand new condition. My brother's finding a few things here and there that he doesn't like, but overall he loves the car. I love the car. I'm getting the pressure washer out. It's time to begin and start making this Tiburon look brand new again. As you guys can see, the window is dirty as hell. Back here, the leather has got some burn marks from the sun. You can see all the debris inside the trunk grooves. Going through cleaning everything out of the car. The back bumper is going to need paint. The front bumper needs replaced in paint, door handles, and spoiler. The rest of the car has perfect paint. It's not bad.
So far, yeah.
It's not too bad, right? I mean, it's...
Yeah, definitely. Not bad at all. And yeah, the things that need paint, and then when we clear it all up, we'll find out what needs more paint, if there is any more paint needed. But, and we'll find out if we can get any wrapping going on. We'll see. We're going to find out everything that we need.
I told my brother it's a rare paint color, that he maybe shouldn't wrap it, but I mean, we could, because it would protect the paint further once all the paint is complete, of course. Got to paint the front and back bumper, the door handles, the spoiler, and the gas cap, and possibly the roof. So we'll see what happens, right?
Yeah.
And then we're going to see.
Cheaper to wrap.
Maybe so. So as you guys can see, we are making progress with the Tiburon, and it looks so much better. Now it is time to polish the headlights, so this way the exterior looks even better than it does right now. But take a look, things are looking so much better. So if you have headlights that you want to restore, you start around 1,000. Sometimes you have to start at 800 depending on the condition of the lights. You start out at 8 or 1,000, sand the light till it's smooth and clear, no yellowing, no debris coming off the headlights. After that, you move to 1,500, then 2,000, then 25, then use a cutting cream and a polish and sealer. And that's how you restore your headlights. That's what we're working on right now. My brother and I are gonna do one light at a time to show you guys the difference. Well, as you guys can see, the Tiburon looks absolutely fantastic, minus this front bumper, which needs to be replaced and painted, as well as the back bumper, the spoiler, the gas cap, and the door handles. Once we do that, the car is pretty much 100% on the exterior. Now we can work on a few of the other things that need to be done. We're getting an exhaust for it, a cold air intake, a tune, replacing the steering rack, brake rotors and pads, and shocks. There's a lot of things to do to the Tiburon. Now it is a project car for my brother, and he absolutely loves it. He's always been a fan of Tiburons, and they sound amazing when they're tuned and have an exhaust and an intake and stuff like that. This is his second Tiburon. So we got lots of stuff to come for the Tiburon. Stay tuned. Be sure to check out my brother's channel, This Can't Be Happening, all lowercase, one word. Check me out over on Twitch, twitch.tv, search Driveway Demons. Lots of after hours gaming over there and tons of content to come. You can also subscribe and support the channel over there. Also support the channel at drivewaydemons.com. Get your key tags, t-shirts, hoodies, and more. We have a giveaway coming up. That's going to be a lot of fun, so stay tuned for that. If you're stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. Thumbs up, comment below. You guys know the drill. Let me know what you think of this video and, of course, the Project Tiburon for my brother. So what do you guys think he should do? Keep it naturally aspirated, turbo? Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, guys. For all my returning subscribers, thank you for the support, and we'll see you on the next upload. Take care.